Good morning, grade 8s. Today I want to show you how to use your ants on a slant gizmo for your inclined plane labs. So your gizmo looks like this after you get all logged in, and you're going to see some of the following features. There is a stick that's being used as your inclined plane or your ramp, and your goal is to get some kind of food up to the top of this 10 centimeter tall stump. So first thing you know how to do here is change your food around. So right now you're going to start with a blueberry at the bottom of the stick that the ants want to move. But down here at the bottom you can also change that blueberry from a blueberry to a peanut, to an almond, or a piece of corn. So you can pick any of those four depending on what the lab is asking you to do. Next thing you know how to do is change the length of your ramp. So all I have to do is kind of grab around the stick. Doesn't really matter where. You can grab above, below, wherever you get this little glove. And you can drag it around, make it as long as 30 centimeters, and move it in 5 centimeter increments all the way to being just straight up and down with the stump. That's an important thing for you guys to know how to do. The last thing here is how you move things up and down. So to move things, you need to drag the ants down one by one, and that is important. We're trying to find the minimum number of ants. The whole idea here is why use 4 ants when you can use 2? Why use the extra work, right? So trying to figure out the smallest number of ants that can push things up different inclines. So we'll try this. So I have my one ant dragged down, and in order to get to push, I hit this play button down here. Now this ant can't push, unfortunate. While it's playing, I cannot drag down another ant, but what I can do is I can pause, and I can reset, and then I can drag down my second ant. Now we're dragging down one at a time until it moves. So here, 2 ants won't do the job. Restart. 3 ants, there we go. 3 ants can do this job of moving the blueberry up the stick. So after it's all done, you can see how long it took the ants to move that object up that incline, as well as the minimum number of ants required. Those are your 2 key pieces of information. That's all I need to know and how to use this gizmo for tutorials this week. If you have any questions, please let me know, and make sure you're reading your lab sheets carefully. Thanks, and have a great week.